Why do I get in the ice every single morning? The older generations, the generations above us, they say we're snowflakes. They say us millennials are soft. I'm not soft. I am a fucking snowflake when I'm in the ice bath. My body's as cold as a snowflake. When I said that, I thought it was gonna be cooler than it came out.
Look, grind hard, well done, sir, and welcome to the freaking well show.
But when I said I'm a snowflake, it did not sound cool. So we'll just leave that in the video, whatever. Set a timer for 10 minutes and 10 seconds. The reason why I take ice baths is because it gets me in state. I wake up first thing in the morning, my body, whatever dreams I had, good, bad, sexy, whatever they are, they have my body in a certain state. I don't necessarily, when I wake up, I don't want to be in that state that my unconscious took me to. Ugh. I don't. I want to be where I want to be in control of my physiology. So what I do is I put my body in the ice first thing in the morning. Neutralizes me. If I'm happy, boom. I'm not happy anymore. If I'm sad, boom. I'm not sad anymore. If I'm angry, whatever I am, I'm not that emotion anymore. It's just Tennessee, baby. That's what you gotta tell yourself. It's just Tennessee. Think of how many states are north of here. How many states are much colder than Tennessee? That's what I'm telling myself right now to get me through this. This is the coldest morning so far. It's 26 degrees out. The new emotion I am is I'm cold as fuck. Okay? And so for 10 minutes, I'm in the ice. I don't care if it's raining outside. I don't care if the ice is frozen. And unless the whole block of water, the whole thing of water is a block of ice, I'm getting in it. So it primes my physiology to be in a positive state to where when I go to work, I'm ready to work. When I go to work on my business, I am in the right mindset. Because after that, after I neutralize myself, I can say my affirmations, I can listen to my songs that I listen to in the morning, I can meditate, but taking myself to ground zero, taking myself to cold as fuck, that gets me where I need to be. Because I can work from there. The other benefits of being in the ice is it boosts your immune system. I've not been sick in 2 years. It also exercises your circulatory system. A lot of you guys watching this are older. 25 to 40 is what YouTube is. My audience on YouTube is 25 to 40. So I know a lot of you guys are 40 plus. Because some of you guys had to bring up that number. So if you guys are watching this, you're 40 plus, don't go jump in the ice because Romer did it. Your old ass might have a heart attack. Alright? And you younger guys, I got a couple 18-year-olds that watch my shit. Even, I think 18-year-olds aren't millennials anymore. The snowflake generation, 22 to 35, whatever it is, you guys are soft. You guys might not be able to handle being in the ice for 10 minutes. It takes a hard man to do that. That's another reason why I do it. Mental toughness. You guys want to get mentally tougher? Find an ice-cold river near your house. Get in there. Mental toughness. It boosts your circulatory system. Unless you're old, it's going to fuck your shit up and you're going to go to cardiac arrest. Okay, it boosts your immune system. I could write a whole book on the benefits, but the main reason why I do this is to prime my body, keep me tough, keep me hard, and just get me in a state for the day. That's why I do it every morning. Peace out, family. Much love. Like, comment, subscribe. Do what you got to do. Catch you in the next video.
Dope sells like the charge do, but selling's all about potential. And money speaks, then I'm the main act.